Hello everyone. Welcome to Marg ERP solution. In this video we gonna talking about how to create receipt voucher in Marg Software, so let's start the video. So, what is receipt voucher? A receipt voucher is a type of voucher which is typically issued by a certain business or an organization upon receiving payment in cash or check during a business transaction. In order to create receipt voucher, the user needs to follow the below steps. Go to Account option, then click to Voucher Entry option and then click to Receipt option. A Voucher Entry window will appear. The user will enter the date on which receipt is being taken as per the requirement. A Ledger window will appear. The user will select Ledger and press Enter. A Bill Adjustment window will appear. The user will select bill adjustment type like ADJ Ref, New Ref, etc. 1. ADJ Ref, select when user is receiving the amount against any sale bill. 2. New Ref, select and the amount of receipt is being received as an advance. A Pending Invoice window will appear. The user will select bills for adjustment, and to select bills user needs to press spacebar key or plus key on it. Press Enter key. Now the user needs to select whether the receipt amount is being taken in cash or bank. Suppose select cash. Press Enter key. Note, the software picks the mode of receiving amount like cash or bank automatically according to the last transaction. However, if user needs to change it, then user needs to press spacebar key on selected ledger. Now the user will select this options as per the requirement. Suppose select Save. After following the above steps, the user can easily create receipt voucher in Marg Software. If you love our tutorial videos, then please press like button, share this video, comment your feedback in the comment box and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.